Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to give you a tutorial today for a quick and easy tablescape for a Thanksgiving dinner. This is how our dining room normally looks, so I wanted to give you a little bit before and after. So first I'll start off with showing you everything I'm going to use for this table decoration. And first is these small gourds that I just found at our local grocery store, super cheap and beautiful. Then I bought all of these little jars at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby has great seasonal decor, but these weren't even seasonal. I just liked the colors for fall, and also pretty much any other time of year you could use these as regular decorations. They were all super cheap already, but I got them half off, so that was an amazing score. Then I'm using these tall candles, and this was also a stem from Hobby Lobby that I cut apart into different small pieces so that I can fit them in to the decor as I wanted to instead of just using one stem. A little bit cheaper that way. Then two big gourds, and this long gold garland was from Kevin's grandmother, which is my husband, and she gave that to me. What a beautiful gift. I love it. I kind of built the whole tablescape around that garland, and if you have a different one, that's great. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to get started. The first thing I'm going to do is clean our table so it'll be nice and fresh before I add any new decorations. I'm using the Method wood cleaner today, which is green and it smells incredible. So I'm just going to spray down the whole table with that and wipe it off before adding my decorations. And I'm putting those bamboo in the corner of the room because they'll decorate the corner, and I don't need them on the table for this. So it's a win-win. Okay, first thing I'm going to start with is the garland. I will put that over my wood piece and table runner, which I actually am just keeping the one that we usually use because I kind of like it, and the black and white is going to match with my plates later. So I'll put that in kind of a zigzag pattern over the wood because I'm going to start putting the jars back and forth, I guess I would say, in the spaces that the garland leaves when it zigzags. The big tall amber bottle I'm going to put in the very middle, and then I'm going to alternate the small cream colored bottles and the shorter amber bottles, as you can see. Kind of space them out similarly to each other, and then I'm going to put a candle in each bottle. Then I'll start with the big squash and place them on each side of the tall amber bottle, also spaced evenly from that, so it balances it out. Then I'll use all of the smaller squash and kind of just place them throughout the whole line of the table, and kind of space them out evenly and fill in gaps created by the bottles and the garland. Basically, I just want the whole design to be kind of evenly spaced and just look filled in and beautiful. And the last thing I'll do is take that stem of gold leaves that I cut up into pieces, and I'm going to fill in the gaps even more with those. I'm placing a couple in the amber bottle, the middle amber bottle, with the candle, and then using the rest to fill in the gaps and spacing them evenly as well. Okay, and then I'm just going to add the final touches, like moving the salt and pepper shakers to each side, and then we're all done with the centerpiece for the table. Thought I would just give you a quick, more detailed look at the entire centerpiece so that you can kind of just see how it turned out. And next I will show you how I do my place settings. I'm going to make them look like this year with the folded napkin, the stacked dishes, so I'm going to show you how to do that. I start with cleaning off all the plates, just kind of giving them a dust because they're already clean. And then I start with the biggest plate, the salad plate, and the bowl on top. Then I'll take the napkin. And if you've ever done one of those games, I forget what they're called, where you write the numbers on each piece of paper and then you write a letter or word that you have to spell out, and you put your fingers in them and, like, you know, say choose a letter, choose a word, blah blah blah, and then finally you get to where you flip it over and you can read your little fortune or whatever. That's basically how I fold these napkins, is the start of that. See, like this, then you would just fold it in half so you can put your fingers in there. But instead, I pull them out and make them into a little flower. And I think this is a really fun way to fold napkins. And I pretty much do this every Thanksgiving. So I place the napkin like that inside of the bowl, and then I'm going to use 2 pieces from 2 different grandmothers. The glasses are from one of my grandmothers, and they're beautiful, and I use those each year for Thanksgiving and special occasions. And then the little tiny dishes are actually salt or pepper holders, and I'm using those as kind of a centerpiece for the napkin flower. And those are from my other grandma. She gave them to us as a wedding gift, and they're beautiful. Then I just do the table setting. Did I have to Google it? Yes, I did. And we don't have salad forks, but hey. I'll do all the place settings exactly like that, and here's how it turned out. I think everything looks pretty dang cool, if I say so myself. All uniform, beautiful, fun, and super simple. This didn't take me very long at all, guys. And as a side note, our table runner is from Target, but you could use any seasonal table runner for this, or you could just put that stuff directly on the table, and it would still look awesome.
Thanks for watching this styling video today. I hope you guys got a few tips and tricks and inspiration for your own holiday decorations. If you have any Thanksgiving recipes to share, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to cook some new recipes this year and surprise my family. And thanks again for watching this video. Hope you guys all spend some quality time with your loved ones this season, and have a great Thanksgiving.